does your wire transfers take, Paul?
Uh, if I do it during the week, it's normally only a couple days. But the fastest I've gotten was, I think, 2 or 3 days.
That's fair.
Yeah, but I have Chase and they're pretty good.
Is there a limit with Chase? Is
What's that?
there like a limit you can wire in Chase? Like, do they stop? Can you not limit a certain amount in a certain
Uh,
day, or
I'm not making that much, so I don't know if I'm at that limit or if there is one. I have a feeling if there is one, it's probably like 10 or 20K. But I'm not withdrawing 10 or 20K every week or two, so
that'd be nice.
hopefully next year that's the goal.
Yeah, CJ and I are probably gonna enter. We got EG in our list. EU, GU. We're probably gonna hold that for a week.
Which way?
Um, at EG for a buy based off the day and week. EU, we're gonna wait. The I guess we gotta look at MT4 because on TradingView it shows a gap, and that kind of screwed it up last week. Ended on a gap. Wasn't really a gap. Yeah, it shows. I think it showed us the gap on TradingView. But MT4 is different.
Yeah, my MT4 is still frozen.
Same here. Yeah, I'm wondering if it's gonna be 5.
Yeah. We'll get the stream started at like 5 o'clock. I'll switch the screen over, guys.
Ready? How many people in the Zoom?
4.
All 4.
Yeah, but no, the live stream's up. I just have it set on the stream starting soon page.
Yeah.
So, get that going soon.
Yeah, if I hit 2K this week, it's a possibility I'm not going into work ever.
Yeah, I haven't worked. I didn't work at all last week or this weekend. I just kind of hung out. And I'm thinking if this week goes like last week, I might just see how everything goes. Only doing this and YouTube and coaching.
Big buck.
Yeah. Well, we'll see. Last week I made 8.9%.
Okay.
So
What
not
do you usually try to go for? Percent-wise?
like 5 to 10 a week.
Hey, see, what was our ratio for last week, CJ? We go based off our ratio. We want to bring our ratio up. I think our ratio was like 1 point. Yeah. I think our ratio was like 1.6. So we had like 26 wins, 16 losses. So we try and get our losses down. I think our losses came to like 400, but our wins came to like
In a week you had that many trades?
Hmm?
Holy shit, Troy, come on.
Oh, not like with a bunch of different pairs. It'll be the same pair. We just go in on multiple entries based.
Oh, you're just like scaling your positions as it does what you want.
Yeah, like if we trace a bit, like all right, we go on dollar, and then continue
Oh,
going
okay, I was gonna say you're taking 40
on.
trades a
No,
week, bro. Oh my god.
no, we got three pairs, and we probably go and do three entries with those pairs, and we're in profit, and they start to retrace. We go like 50 cents or a dollar here, then it'll continue going away.
Gotcha, because you're kind of closing partials as it goes throughout the week, then, right?
Yeah,
Nice, nice.
no, we won't. We won't go that many entries with different. Yeah,
I was about to say,
that'd be dumb.
how's it going, Ryan? I'm good. I'm good. Yeah, GA's got a real nice gap. I think it's gonna form a. You can't see my screen. I'll share it. Fuck it.
But like,
I'm thinking GA is gonna form some resistance right here based on the hourly. Because there's still no bottom wick, and then I think it should probably push down, and then the next one, once we break these lows right here, depending on how it all forms, I think I think we could see a gap fill for Sunday again. I mean, we've had it 4 weeks in a row, so I'm thinking we got a pretty good chance to get it again. Is my thinking, and then we'll target down here, but I doubt I'm gonna hold it that long. If we go up like 30, 40, 50 pips, I'm probably just gonna take that, to be honest, because that would be a phenomenal start to the week. So I'm not gonna try to gamble it on that and give away 50 pips. Is CJ gonna quit too?
are you gonna quit, CJ? He said maybe.
Fuck yeah! All three of us do it the same month. Let's go.
Yeah, let's do it live. I'm down.
Let's call our jobs right now.
We just started ours a month ago.
We lose 5K this week and we're broke.
Yep. It's funny because our VP manager used to work on Wall Street.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Bro, you should send him this way. Let me coach him.
He's really rich. He wears like a thick diamond ring on his middle. Was it his pinky fingers here? It's like a big ass diamond ring he wears.
Oh my god, that's how I'm trying to be. I want to get like
Yeah.
a big ass diamond pinky toe ring and then wear some flip flops and yeah. Then people know we're real traders when we got all this fancy jewelry.
Right. You see this still? Would you say he's still going to Walmart?
Bro, I don't care if I'm making 20K a day. I'm still shopping at Walmart.
Hell yeah.
Walmart's actually got some real nice clothes too lately. Like
They
nice
close?
comfy hoodies and sweatpants.
They got all kinds of stuff now.
Actually, yeah, I got a watch from Walmart that lasts the whole deployment, and it's still working right now.
Yeah, I was talking to Lauren and I was like, she was just talking about like a ring and whatnot, and I was like, yeah, we can go to Walmart and pick it out. She didn't like that.
Does she do full time like coaching and stuff?
No, not yet. Hopefully one day, but she's working at like a burger restaurant bar type of thing.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah, but she's making fucking bank being a bartender. They do stupid well.
Dude, I got a friend that works for the bar, and he took home like 1,400 in a night.
Yeah,
Just
like
for
if
tips.
you get like a
Yeah.
banquet, like that shit's insane.
Ooh, it's fucking crazy.
Yeah.
And he'll work there like Friday, Saturday, and make a shitload of money.
Mm-hmm.
It's just like, goddamn.
Yeah, I think she's made 500 in the past 2 days of work.
Mm.
Nice.
Yeah, she likes it, which is good. I just hate that sometimes she doesn't get home till like 3 a.m. and I'm like, come on.
So it's like when I work nights, I don't even get off till 3:30.
You can't trade GJ. There's 19 pips spread. And I'm going to catch tiny pips. I don't know what that means, but whatever you say, I guess. Oh, already up to 73. Hopefully MT4 will open up in 2 minutes.
Mine's moving, but all spreads are crazy right now.
Mm-hmm. What up, Don? Oh, shit. I forgot to send the other people the Zoom information. Haven't been seeing too many charts from you, Troy. Or
Me?
CJ. Yeah, you and CJ.
I got them saved. Yeah, I can share them.
I think we got a couple swing traders in the group, too.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I just usually never share them because it's like on the day, then I guess it's not as detailed as like the 30-minute you guys do. So I just like what we won.
Gotcha.
Yeah, I can definitely put some parts into it.
You guys are still like saving and journaling them?
Yep. I write all the trades we take on a notebook, and I do how many pips, one for each trade, dollar amount, then a top 3 trades or top 4.
Mm. Did you ever check out Trello?
Say again?
Trello, the place that I do all my trades in.
Hello.
Have you ever seen that?
No.
I'll pull it up real quick.
Did you tell me about it before?
I don't know. I've talked about it multiple times. I don't know if you were here.
Oh, okay.
So I journal everything right here. So like it's grouped by the week. You can see win, loss, the picture, a quick description, and then like if you click into it, you can add more detail, stuff like that.
You didn't write it down.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, it's pretty. Because then you know, like, all right, green, red, green, 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 red. Like you can just quickly glance, and I think it's pretty convenient.
Is that an app or?
Just go to Trello.com. It's totally free too. Oh shit! Look at her pulling back. I fucking called that. Right at that level.
Was open?
Yeah, it was open.
Oh, it opened finally. Let's go. Spread still at fucking 7 though. We still got. It's 5 o'clock. All right, let's get ready to catch some pips.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we broke that low. I have a feeling it's going to start to come down. If it gets below this bullish one, I might take it. But there's no other candles on MT4 yet, so probably going to wait on it. But
Yeah,
hopefully it
this one
doesn't just
hasn't-
run down.
This one hasn't even made a top width yet. Kind of.
Yeah, if it breaks that hourly low, it's going to come down pretty nice. Hopefully this 15 min doesn't do it because MT4 doesn't show any other candles, which kind of sucks.
Yeah, dude, my MT4 didn't even show a gap, bro.
Oh, my MT4's got a hell of a gap, but there's only one candle. I can't see these 3 bullish ones, so I don't know when it breaks the low.
Oh yeah, now I got a gap. When I looked down here like 5 minutes ago, there's no gaps at all.
Yeah, it wasn't open. That's where it closed.
Man, that's crazy.
Yeah. This kind of hopefully this one doesn't do it because we'll see. We got 100 pips of room, so
Yeah, GN did 140.
Jesus. Yeah, you could probably catch 20, 30, 40 of that pretty easy.
Shit.
Mm-hmm.
He's still going up though. That's the thing. What's GA doing?
Coming down to fill the gap eventually. I can feel it.
Yeah, I definitely think it's gonna be some good gaps. Maybe just lower the lot a little bit and catch more pips.
Yep, that's exactly what I was thinking. I'm gonna drop the risk again like normal, like a Friday, and just have a bigger target.
Yep, I think that's what I'm gonna do as well.
Oh shit, if we catch like 40 pips, that's a real good start to the week.
Oh fuck yeah, dude.
Yeah, spreads are still super high, so don't worry. There's no entries yet. Yeah, mine's at 7, so it's not. It's not moving though. It's just sitting at 7, so I don't think it's officially open yet.
Yep. Yeah, mine's at 7 as well. She's tanking pretty hard right now on MT4.
Yeah. Jeez.
I had a feeling tonight was going to be very, very volatile.
How come? Just cause?
Just because of the whole coronavirus, dude. It's going to be like this for the next probably 2 or 3 weeks, I would assume.
Hey, what though? Coronavirus got me some cheap flights.
Got you some what?
Coronavirus got me some cheap flights. I bought round trip flights in July for Paris for $377.
Oh, that's probably why our Florida trip was so cheap. We got round trip for like 120 from Wisconsin to Florida.
Damn.
All the airlines, if you look at all the stocks, all the airline stocks dropped like a crazy amount.
Yeah, they're probably down in the shitter.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
People that are trading stocks, though, you know?
Yeah, your mic's really, really, really low, Mike.
Is it really?
Yeah, like I can hardly hear you. Shubham, I don't think the broker's gonna give a crap about your trade losing. Because you were holding it over the weekend and they probably don't back or do anything for that. It'd be like trading news. There's no reassurance for your stop loss. In normal market conditions, maybe they'll do something. I've had a broker, I think it was Hugo's Way. It was just the market just died and turned off, and everyone's stop loss and take profit got taken off. So, but my trade won. They didn't give me the win, but they did take away the loss and reimburse that. But they didn't give me my trade won by it hit 20 pip take profit, but it didn't close because there was no the trade wasn't working. So then when it finally opened and turned back on, it was way past my stop loss. But then they just kind of canceled the trade.
Yo, Paul, since I just said GN gapped 130 pips, it's up 180 right now.
Well, it's pushing up.
This candle is at 50 pips since we just talked literally 5 minutes ago. Yeah, it's pushing up.
Jesus.
That is insane. I don't think I've ever seen that on a gap.
What up, Anthony? What up, Ali? Yeah, that's insane.
You take a look at that. That's wild.
I kind of want to see this. That's a 50 pip candle?
Bottom of the wick, yeah.
Oh, shit. Damn. Yeah, if it breaks that bullish candle, though, oof. I would just leave some pendings overnight because, oof.
That's what I'm saying, dude. This is going to be insane.
It's going to be a fun session, hopefully.
Yeah, I'm long on GBP NZD since like Thursday.
Working pretty good?
Yeah, hopefully. I think I might close it. It's about to hit my TP. It's like 30 pips away.
Yeah, I'll just be nervous about filling that gap, and then it'll probably continue up.
Yeah, I think the 4 hour is going to come down. See, the 4 hour wicked up into here. If it gets above, it might keep going, but I think it's going to come down, to be honest.
Yeah, it's a swing trade though. My stop is pretty far away, to be honest.
Gotcha. Yeah, Malte, go to Trello. I put it in the chat.com, and that's where you will find the free journaling software or website. Spread is still at 7. It hasn't even budged. What is it waiting for? Huh. I wonder if market opens at 5 and then Asian starts at 7.
Yeah, Australia opens 5 and then Japan is 7, I think.
Because they're normally, when it opens at 4, it normally starts at, like, spreads will
Yeah,
drop
we
at.
have different times. I forgot. I'm talking
Yeah.
about Eastern time.
Yeah. But I'm saying because MT4 charts just opened, are the spreads not going to drop for 2 hours? Or are they going to drop at the normal? Because they should be dropping. They should have dropped right now already.
Mine's only dropped a little bit, but I mean it's still pretty high.
Mine's not even moving. Mine's just straight 70. Normally it's like flopping around like 60, 70, 50.
Let me take down the bags.
What's up?
Come on. Okay, hold on.
Oh, now it's moving. There we go. Okay.
Hold on.
Was that enough FS? Yep. Yeah, we'll just keep being patient. No, I don't care what the 1 minute chart looks like. I am good.
1 minute chart.
Yeah, someone said go to the 1 minute chart. I don't know why.
I remember my first time trading, I was trading on a 1 minute thinking I was doing it right. And I
Oh
was
my
teaching myself.
god.
Yeah.
The 1 minute chart is trending. I don't know how much I'm gonna trust that trend, to be honest with you. Because if you look at 300 or 400 candles, you zoom out so far. First of all, you can't see anything. Second of all, that's like not even a 15-minute candle. So I would definitely be looking at 15-minute or above price, to be honest. Unless you're like swing trading and looking to get an entry on the 1 minute. If you know what you're doing, I feel like that's fine, but it's not going to work for me.
Is it possible to swing trade in a minute?
Yeah, I know. The Jevin does it. Jevin, whatever it is, he does it. He marks it up on like the higher time frames, and then he like marks off the area he wants to enter, and then he goes into the 1 minute to enter off of it.
Gotcha.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna send you one of my charts, but I'm like retarded. I forgot to do it.
Alright, bro.
On TradingView?
Yeah.
The,
No,
the
I see it. Never mind.
camera on the top right.
Hey,
Hold on, I just want to do one thing. All you do is complain. That's all you do.
You're gonna leave your mic on while you do that? Come on now.
I owe you money. I owe you.
Excuse me. Yep, yeah, I got you, Price. I had that. That makes sense, but that's just not going to work for me. That's all. I've seen people do it successfully, so if you are one of those people, then do it. Hey, let's mute our mics when we join. Okay, cool. What up, cats? Yeah, on my MT4, all I see is this one bearish 15 minute. So I have no other candle closes on my screen except since open. This is the only candle. I don't have these bullish ones on my MT4, so so I'm assuming because we didn't wick below here, MT4 on my side probably did not wick below either. So I'm going to kind of wait for it to kind of come break below and then get a candle to close and then probably something to pull up, and then once the candle breaks a low, then take it. But spread's also got to drop as well. So if it's coming down and spread's still at 7, then there's nothing for me. Yeah, spread is still too high. What up, Frankie? Yep, exactly, Swag. I'm looking for the gap fill. So we got about, let's say we get in here a little bit lower, 120-ish pips once we get below here to get. So if we can get like 20, 30, maybe even like 50 pips of that, that'll be a really, really nice trade. What up, Naked Wicks? Yep, exactly, Bear. If it breaks 97810, is that the right area? Yep, exactly. That's what I'm looking for. But spread needs to come down a little bit more. Ideally, I think a trade, if you entered when it breaks below, that could be a really nice trade as well. But I also think if we at least wait for a bearish 30 minute and then the next one to wick up and then break the lows, that might be even better. Because this one, the hourly hasn't even broke the low yet. So spread's still a little high, so I am not sure, Diesel. It might. Well, there's no time limit on when I'm looking to enter. If you're talking to me or Diesel, I'm just waiting for spreads to drop and for it to start making some lows.
Is that mine?
Hear me, Paul?
What's up?
Okay. Yeah, it took me like 10 minutes to send you a picture. I'm so retarded. Jesus Christ.
I
was
totally
like,
forgot you were even sending one.
yeah, I sent, just example how I mark my charts up. I go based off divergence.
Is it on? Where'd you send it?
Ah, Telegram?
Did you send it to Telegram?
I don't know. I sent it on a Zoom.
Oh, I didn't. I didn't get anything on Zoom.
Yeah, I sent it to Telegram. I don't know how to send it on Zoom.
Oh, we don't. I don't. We don't use Telegram. Let me see. I think I can still pull it up though. You need to get it together. Jeez.
Yeah, I'm all over the place.
Yeah, no, I'm not opening that. You sent in the wrong chat. I'm not opening it.
Got it.
We almost broke that hourly low on MT4. Spread's still at like 3.5 though for me, so I'm gonna just wait on it. Russell Steele, what picture are you talking about? The profile picture? That would be me in the picture. Yeah, GA will drop eventually. There's no rush. Spread's 4 on GA. Yeah, that's what mine's at right now too. Oh, it broke below there now on MT4. But damn, spread is still at like 3 and 7. It's trying to come down, I think. Normally sits at like 1.8 to like 2.2 during Asian on GA, so
Yeah, it might come down at 6:30 in like 7 minutes.
excuse me. That's normally about when it drops, right?
Yeah, for me it's always drops like right around 6:30. and we've taken a lot of our trades around like 6:45,
Mm-hmm.
which is coming up here pretty
Yeah.
soon.
It's kind of setting up too, so.
Yeah. I was just worried about it kind of breaking, coming down like 50 pips, and then retracing back up, and then falling. You know, I feel like I've seen that before.
Yeah, we'll see how. I think we'll be. I don't think it's going to give the full move till the spreads do drop, because it's going to need that volume from everyone to push it down. But we'll see. Yep, yeah, wicks are making lower lows. That's good. We just need spreads, and we'll be looking to enter.
Yeah, I'm at like 3.2 right now.
Same. Oh, that's just a warm up picture. It's like it just comes with the overlay bundle. That's all. Yeah, if it says 51, that means it's a 5 pip spread. If it says 40, that means 4. 10 is a 1 pip spread. So what up, Manuel? Spreads are almost to normal.
Yeah, they came down. They're only like 2.5 right now.
Yep.
This is a nice stop loss. 20, 25, 26 pips.
Yeah, some big ass candles.
Yeah.
You on GA or GM?
They're both about the same. GM hasn't broken the low of anything yet, though. It's like trying to currently, but it hasn't.
I mean, this 30-minute close is looking good, but it's just too big. Because now we got the break of the hourly low. So we should continue, but I'd like to see some of these candles kind of once we come down, kind of retest, and then once we get the lows like this right here, then we'll take it. Yeah, GJ's looking like it's going to try to fill the gap as well. GN might be breaking down, Mike.
Yeah, that's what I was looking at right at that break of that 15. The only problem is there's that small support at the bottom of that.
Yeah, but look at the look at the hourly. Your previous hourly is bearish.
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean I think breaking the low of the bullish 30-minute. Excuse me, would be good.
Yeah, MT4's only got one 30-minute candle though.
Yeah, MT4 is still really weird.
And Trading View's got fucking 3 now, you know, so it's kind of, I don't know, a little bit weird.
Yeah.
That spread's still pretty high. That's still 8 pips right now.
Yeah, GA keeps jumping around too. It's back up to 4.
Maybe 15 just started too.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see, GA. Mine's at 2 right now.
Yeah, it was just jumping back up to like 7 though. Yeah, Hamlet, I want a 5-minute break and retest. That's not enough confirmation. So I'd like to see this one not really break the low too hard, or not at all would be nice too. I don't know if we'll get that lucky, but then to wick up and then kind of close weak bullish, but it's already broken the low.
Wow, GN is running now.
Running down.
Yeah, holy cow. It like opened and just shot right down. Oh shit. It's breaking all the lows.
Yeah, GA too. Yeah, I don't want to miss this move, but I don't like how it's set up, so I'm not gonna take a stupid trade for no reason.
Yeah, there's no need to rush anything. I fucking messed it up so many times trading news or trading gaps.
I mean, we have 120 pips of a gap,
Yeah.
and if we trade like normal, we only need 10 pips of that, 20 pips. So we got plenty of time. Thanks, David. Yep, good idea, Frankie. I'm about to go. I think I'm gonna go get some rice cakes or something. And just let it set up. Probably another 15, 30, 45 minutes, and then I think we'll be good to go. I mean, this 30 minutes is going to need a top wick. So I'm thinking this one might kind of close something like this, maybe a little weaker or something like that. But I think this one will probably close bearish, and then the next one might be like a wick up, like a little wick down, and then kind of a little body, and then our entry would be right there to come down.
I like that drawing.
Like my straight lines.
What? I'm not even gonna say what that looks like.
Yeah, no comment. Yeah, I was almost an artist, but I decided to go the trading route instead.
Yeah, it's a good thing you did that. I wouldn't give up trading for that.
Don't quit your day job.
Yeah, don't quit your day job. Yeah.
I wonder if we hit 2K yet. Oh, we did. 2003. Look at that.
Hey, there you go. Good
Next
stuff, man.
stop. Next stop. 10K.
Oh yeah.
Yep. Yeah, I got you, Nefes. Ain't doing nothing else. Yeah, I think you should wait for it to break. I think it needs to break these wicks. Or if this one closes like this, if it makes a low below there, then I would take it there. But, I mean, you got this. Damn, I can't fucking talk lately. You got this gap right here that's gonna need to be filled. So I wouldn't try to trade against that until you at least have a bearish close and then some confirmation of some new lows being made. Because gaps do usually get filled right away on Sunday. So I would just be careful with that, because I feel like this one made a high above all of this stuff and these candles. So this candle, if it doesn't make a lower low below here and it makes a higher low, I have a feeling the next one, regardless of how this closes, will probably break whatever high that candle made and then continue up above that high and then up to there. Yep, yeah, that makes sense. Just make sure it makes a new low to the previous candle to kind of confirm that it is going to go in your direction. That's what I would wait for. Because I've had many times where, I mean, this bullish candle created support, right? So it should go up, but it came down. Or this candle kind of formed a resistance right near this resistance, so price should come down, but it didn't. So I wait for that extra confirmation of if this candle is going to bring price down, or price is going to come down after this candle, it's going to break this low and then continue down. If it doesn't break the low, it's going to break the high and go up. All you got to do is wait for it to do one or the other. So like this bullish candle, if it breaks the low here, it's probably a better chance it's going to come down versus if it breaks the high, whereas it could go up. So, I mean, if you look at this one right here, price is kind of coming down, but you got this. This could be an area of interest, which it does end up being because it goes all the way across. But you kind of got like a weak bullish close, you could say. It's not super strong. So price could be, and it did make a lower low, so maybe price wants to go down. But if it gets above here, you're going to have a really good chance of it continuing up back to that resistance and probably filling that wick kind of thing. And then price went up and did so. So 30-minute, kind of come and make the top wick. Yep. I'm gonna go grab a rice cake. Make sure we press that like button and subscribe. We finally just broke 2K. Yep. Hey Jack, this is live. Yeah, that makes sense, Eric. It's just a little too risky for me. I'd like to see something better, especially for a Sunday. I don't want to be too aggressive. Yeah, it's a live stream from 2 years ago. Yep. You guys are so smart. No, nothing's happening yet. We're waiting on some GA cells. Ramos, I have no idea. I don't trade patterns or candle style, candle patterns or anything like that. How's it going, guys? He got you, man. Well, he got you. So it looks like 30 minutes got a top wick on MT4. That's good. Might live stream it. There you go. Bam. That backfired, man. Well. The significance is that it has a top wick. And that's all. I'm gonna mute my mic while I eat these rice cakes real quick.
We can still hear you chewing though, Paul. Yeah, we can hear you. Oh, you're talking. Oh, you're talking for the YouTube. It's all right. It's actually making me kind of hungry. Not gonna lie. I just had a bunch of chicken a minute ago though. Oh, what? Yeah, dude. I'm looking at I just got a. I don't know if you see my story. I just got a massage gun that got shipped to me. Dude, it's so nice, and I'm just looking at their website and see what other stuff they have right now. So I wasn't even looking. All right, cool. Yeah, I'll try to imagine it then. Money happy? That might, yeah, that might not be good.
Nice job, Frankie. I was gonna draw a rocket ship, but it was gonna turn out to be really inappropriate, and YouTube keeps giving me a hard time with everything, like just out of nowhere. So. Yep, I'm back. I think. Yep, we're back.
Damn, spreads are still above 4, man.
Mm-hmm.
That's crazy. Wow, GJ did just die. Holy cow.
Really?
Wow.
Like a lot? Like, is my jaw gonna drop? Oh.
Yeah, I think so. Didn't expect that, I'll be honest. I thought it was going to fill the gap before it dropped like that again. You know, there was JPY news, so I bet you that's what it was.
Mm.
Yep, there was. It was their final GDP index.
And that was 550. Okay.
Damn.
Yeah, it might come back up though.
Oh yeah, it'll for sure come back up. It just, damn, that's crazy.
Because there's still no. I mean, yeah, the top wick on that doesn't really matter right there, to be honest. But you know, that's probably what GA pushed up a little bit.
It's weird. The numbers aren't even out yet. That was 5 minutes ago.
Did you refresh?
Yeah, refreshed a couple times. I can't see the numbers.
And TW, I don't know what's TW. Oh, is that TradingView? Here you go, Jan. That's still a nice trade, bro.
Damn.
Yeah, spreads they're not. They'll probably drop in 4 minutes, I would guess. But
If not, it's gonna be a rough session because this is coming all the way back up, which I didn't think this would do either. Yeah, worst case scenario, we don't take a trade and we wait till tomorrow and be safe, you know?
yeah, I think it's just an hour behind because of the daylight savings. So I think it might just we might not get spread dropped till 6 o'clock, and then market open would be 7 maybe.
Yeah, that is true. I forgot about the daylight savings. Yeah, we lost or
Gained.
we gained on last night or lost?
Lost an hour because it went forward.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So we'll see. If spreads don't drop, though, I'm not going to do anything. But I I have a feeling they will. I just don't know when.
Yeah, maybe not till London.
No, I think they'll drop for Asian. It's just since we pushed an hour ahead. Normally Sunday's market opens at 4. The fuck. But today MT4 didn't open till 5, which doesn't happen. That's an hour behind. So is everything else an hour behind? Is spreads going to drop at 6 then, and then market opens at 7, or is everything going to happen at 6, kind of thing?
That makes sense, yeah.
So I hate to say I told you so, but I did just draw these candles on the screen. So I could be a magician. I think it'll still come down. Yep. Yeah, AF. So that bullish candle broke the highs, but I'm looking for sells. So I don't care if it breaks the highs. The higher it goes, the more room I get to the downside. So that's fine by me. See what the hourly looks like if it's still bearish. Yep. So if this one doesn't close below here in the next minute, or like right close to it, we could see a wick up and then come down and get a wick fill and then gap fill. So then we'll just wait for this 15 minutes to kind of climb up like this did, and then we'll wait for this candle to happen over here again, or below here.
Yeah, you know, the more I look at this, I wouldn't mind it if it came up to the top of those two candles. Like you said, maybe create like a wick up there and then create another 15, which will be the 30, and then the next 15 will be the one that we can take it down to the bottom even.
Mm-hmm.
And even if we don't catch the whole move, we'll still be able to get something because it'll be a safer trade.
Yep. So if I'm looking for sells and price goes up and doesn't break my like sell confirmation area in terms of where I would look to then take a buy instead of a sell, it's just giving me more room to go down with my analysis I had. So if we get a sell, if this comes down and we get a sell here, down to here, versus here down to here, there's more room. Alright, how do we close? Bearish. 30-minute close bullish. Still had a bearish hourly, close on MT4 as well. So support is right here. So I'm hoping it'll go up and then we can get a candle here to break the low and come down, fill this and then continue. Hourly could just wick fill and keep going. Some big candles, jeez. The buy zone, I honestly didn't even map out a buy zone because I was only looking at the gap. So that would be the high of that. This thing's pushing. That's way too big of a candle though for a trade. Oh, there's a gap here too. I wonder if that got filled. Yeah, it probably had to have, or above it. Really? It's not going to show me anymore? Okay. Oh, we hit. Yeah, we broke 2K. I saw too. Thank you, thank you. Next step is 5K and then 10K. So ideally, I would like a sell below this bullish wick right here, but it's just too big of a candle, so I think waiting for the next one is going to be the best bet. And we'll see how it plays out. Ooh, almost up to 200 on a Sunday. Let's go. I wonder if GJ ended up pushing back up to go back towards the gap. Yep. Yeah, this will probably come back up and try to push the gap. GN will come to fill the gap. Yeah, my spread's still really wild too. That's the other thing we got to pay attention to is the spread. Because if it does give us those confirmations that I was just talking about to take a sell, but the spread is super high, I'm not going to take it. Yeah, I'm not sure what the hours changed to, if they changed, but this, if this is Asian Open right now, 6 o'clock, spreads should be dropped already. Oh, okay, yeah, GA is actually down to 2 now. Oh, no, it's back up to 3. Okay, this is wild. And say it broke the low of that bullish candle as well. Mike, where's the spread normally sit at on GA? It's like between 1.5 and 2.5 on Asian, right?
Mine's usually always around 2. Like, it's usually 2. So, I mean, it's not that far off right now. It's about anywhere from 3 to 4, I would say right now.
Yeah, I'm thinking that this end of this candle, it might be dropping.
Yeah.
Yeah, it just broke the low here too. So hopefully it doesn't run too far. Ideally, if it doesn't break this, that will be good. But if we can close below here, and since this is the bullish 30-minute candle, but also the hourly wick as well, I'm thinking if this candle can close below here and not break here, this next one make a little wick up, we'll put our stop above that candle. And then when it breaks here, we'll take an entry and target that gap fill. But if this one runs down and breaks here and comes all the way down, then kind of just SOL. But I can't imagine one 15-minute candle having the volume of doing a 120 pip move on a Sunday. That doesn't make much sense. But close below that support would be good. Next one kind of go up a little bit, break that wick, and then continue down. I've seen the gaps get filled, I want to say like 85% of the time. So, yep, yeah, Larry expecting a gap fill. SOL means shit out of luck. So basically, if this 15-minute candle runs down 120 pips, which I highly doubt, we basically didn't get the move. JPY news is still 40 minutes away. JPY news already happened for me. It's 6 o'clock. News happened at 5:50, and that's why GJ dropped so hard. But I have a feeling. Yep. See, this candle's just getting bigger and bigger. It's gonna come back up. I think if you took a buy above this last bearish 15-minute, as long as you had a smart stop that wasn't massive, that'd be a good target to fill the gap. So hopefully have a trade in 4 to 5 minutes if the spreads can stay normal. Nope, I think GJ could be a buy. I think GA is going to be a sell, which is what I'm looking at. But it has to give us the confirmation to take the trade, so it's not anything until it does that. But it's looking good so far. I'll go grab some water. Yeah, Frankie, I'll be the cheerleader on the sideline for you. I'm not gonna do that one. I think the next 15-minute will break that last wick, and then we're gonna go boom. Hopefully this one doesn't do it. Watch me jinx it.
I don't know. I may not even take a trade tonight, depending on how this goes.
I told you GJ was going back up. I know a thing or two about a thing or two sometimes. Excuse me. Damn, spread's back at 4 on GA. What the heck? Yeah. A crystal ball. 5 from 200. Let's go. Let's get some more likes. It's back at between 2 and 3 now, but that's still a little higher than normal. Is that a chart, Ahmed? I'm assuming that's a chart. Yep, beautiful. Yep, exactly. If it gets below there, it should come down to there. GCAD, yep, exactly. Same thing though, if this one now breaks here, or even here, I think would be good too. Let me just map this out. Okay, I understood on the 30 minute. If it comes down and breaks the previous 15-minute low, it's probably going to break the 30 and then continue down as well. So I think that's, yeah, spread's got to stay down though. Let me measure that. So from there to there. Oh, Jesus. That is a massive stop still.
Yeah, that's the only problem right now. Is the stops are massive.
Yeah, so the candles actually look like this. It's insane. I mean, even this little guy right here, still 12 pips. There was a ton of volume in the market then. You have a problem with your box? I don't know what that means.
Hey, Paul, what kind of split are you on for your workouts right now?
I mean, it's just like chest, then back, then quads or hammies, and then arms, shoulders, then quads or hammies, whichever one I didn't hit.
Okay, cool. I didn't know if you're doing like push-pull legs. I got a couple buddies that are doing that, but I can't get into that.
No, I like to isolate better.
Yeah, that's how I am too. I like feeling it in like the muscle and get that mind muscle rather than just doing like, because he does push-pull, and then like he'll have like a full leg day, but for his push day he does like shoulders and he'll do like push on triceps and push on chest. And I'm like, dang man, it's just so much.
Yeah, that's too much shoulder for me. I don't like that.
Yep.
Yeah, it's good for like powerlifters, I feel like. But also, I mean, if you do it correctly, it'll work really well either way.
Yeah, same thing for like shoulder day. Like my shoulder days are usually like not that long because like, dude, I can get in there and like hit shoulders and like when I get done with shoulders, dude, I can't even pick up a weight. You know what I mean?
Yeah, you can't even lift your water bottle.
Yeah, dude, for real. So I'm like, if I had a chest in there, like I like hitting chest like long and like heavy. So I don't know. What time do you usually go? Like midday?
Yeah. Normally right after New York or in the afternoon once Lauren gets up.
Yeah. Is Lauren a nurse?
No. She's a trainer and a bartender.
Okay. I don't know why I thought she was a nurse for some reason. I thought you said that a while ago.
God, no.
You can make a shitload of money bartending, dude.
Oh my God, yeah. She's making like a lot.
Yeah, dude. I got a buddy that bartends and like he'll bring like 300 cash home every night.
Yeah, so she's doing about 250.
Yeah, that's good.
During the week's a little slower, but I mean a 5-hour
Yeah.
shift during the week still make 150 bucks. Like it's not bad.
Yeah, for sure. Helps if you're good looking and you can flirt a little bit too, you know?
Helps what?
I said it helps if you're good looking and if you flirt a little bit because like they drive off that, dude.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'll ask her like every now and then, like, oh, did you do any flirting tonight? Like, do you know how to flirt yet? She's like, no. Like, damn it, maybe you'll learn how to flirt with me if you start flirting at work.
Secretly, she's like, hell yeah! How do you think I got 350 in my hand right now?
Be like, it better have just been flirting. Yep, I hit you. I got you, AG. What up, Hayden? Spreads seem to be kind of steadying off around 2-3.
Good morning, boys.
Yo.
What's up? Hey, yo, Paul, where's JR been, bro?
I don't know.
Dude, I haven't heard from him at all.
I wonder if he's sick or something.
I don't know. He used to swipe up on my Instagram stories pretty much every damn day. Like, whatever I posted, he would swipe up and say something, and I haven't heard from him in probably 2 weeks.
Yeah, I haven't heard. I was talking to him like every day for like 2 weeks straight. I haven't heard from him all last week. He hasn't been in the chat. Maybe he's sick or working or what.
I'll shoot him a message right now.
Yeah, make sure he's alive.
Yeah, for sure, dude.
Ooh, look at that. 4 away. Let's go. UJ respected support. I wonder if GA or GJ is still pushing up. So it's just winding down to go up. So GA could also just be kind of winding up to go down. Or make the top wick for the previous 30-minute. Yeah, it didn't break that low, so I think that's going to be the wick we wait to get below. So yeah, it didn't break the high yet there. It's right there, but we'll see what happens. It broke the bearish candle high.
Damn, this is wild, kind of.
Yeah, that makes sense, Tomid. that makes sense. That would never. That kind of makes sense. I mean, I feel like most girls that I've ever talked to, if it actually turned into something, there wasn't a ton of flirting in the beginning. I don't know. I feel like hookups, there's a ton of flirting, but if it's just like, if it turns into some like long relationship, it might be less slutty in the beginning.
Bro, look at GN right now. If you got it pulled up.
Well, it's going to go for that wick, it looks like.
60 pips again since the bottom of that wick.
Are you serious?
Yeah, dude. Oh, the bottom. I was thinking the bottom of. You see the wick that it made?
Since it came up.
Yeah.
Wow.
It was just that was there literally like 15 minutes ago.
Wow. Yeah, let me see if I can find a target on the 30-minute. Maybe we don't get the gap fill tonight.
That's what I said. Maybe this kind of ranges until London, then London crushes it.
Yeah, that would make sense. Unless like I was saying earlier, unless the Asian Open isn't starting for 30 more minutes. Because that would make sense why spread is still wild.
But even so, I mean, it's I guess in 6 minutes we'll see, because normally it's at 6:30, so that'll be 1 hour. But yeah, you might be right. It might be 8 p.m. EST.
And then spreads will drop around in like 15 minutes or so.
I don't know. That's wild though.
Yeah, we'll see. It could just be because the volume's so high that the spread's super high, but I mean, volume's high all the time during the week.
Yeah, I haven't really heard anything about the coronavirus in well, I guess I have a little bit. Great Britain or whatnot. I don't know.
Seriously, how fucking far back do I say? It won't even go past this.
No, that's a ways back there on the 30-minute. I had to go out to the 4 hour.
Jesus Christ.
Did you already pass those 2 wicks?
Honestly, I have no idea.
There's like 2 wicks on the 4 hour that are like decently close, and we're like at them right now. But other than that, it's a long way away, even on the 4 hour.
Yeah, so could be our resistance. This could be once we get above here. This could be a good area, but the 30-minute didn't show shit. I'd rather just trade off what's happening right then and there. If we get above there, possibly get up into there, but
I don't know. If you go to 4 hour, I marked mine up on the 4 hour. We still haven't broken the previous 4 hour resistance. We only wicked into it.
Yep, same thing on the hourly.
Yeah, so I mean, it could just be grabbing orders again.
Yeah, now the hourly's got a top wick.
Yep, that's what I'm saying. It could come back up, push into that zone, and then it'll be a big fall. Which I'm almost considering if we see a 15 close like this, next 15, I don't know, maybe take a sell like once we get to that top area again.
Up here?
Yeah.
No, I'm gonna wait for the same thing we always wait for. Not gonna change it.
So did you boys see crude oil this morning? Or for me in the morning?
No, I didn't.
$30 a barrel it hit. And now it's sitting at 33.
Asian opens in 35 minutes. So that the time change the time changed, but the open and closing times is probably what did not change. So I have a feeling 7 o'clock is going to be Asian Open. This is just, yeah, okay, that makes sense. That's shitty. You can't go back far enough on the lower time frames. So then if 7 is open, 5 would be, or 6 would be kind of pre-Asian when we're coming. So spread should be dropping in about 5 to 10 minutes on GA. Is GJ still rising up? Yeah, so this could just be pullback before open to then continue going up or down. Because yeah, GJ would go up, GA would come down. That would make sense.
My spreads are going crazy this morning. I got my new broker's giving me just crazy spreads now. which I'm happy about.
Did you switch to LMFX?
IC markets, just because of Australia's regulation.
Mm,
I can't use foreign exchanges when depositing, withdrawing. It's just locks my account, this, that.
gotcha.
But good volatility, good spreads. I'm looking about at 8 for GJ, 8 spread, which is not even a pip,
Yep.
you know, which is awesome.
I thought you said 8, and I was like, 8, bro? What?
Yeah.
Yeah, this time change got me all messed up. I didn't even know it was a time change till I woke up, and my phone said like 8, and the kitchen clock said 7. And I was like, oh boy.
Did it hit daylight savings?
Yeah, I think so.
Interesting.
What happens if pin bar is bearish? I don't know what you mean. If you send some charts, I'll pull it up. So we still don't have a trade, so we can still look at some charts till we get in something. I mean, okay, GA spread finally broke below 2. It's a little bouncy right now, but might be settling down. Up to 202. Look at that. Lovely. Maybe we'll hit 300 this week. Addy, I use the candles to do that. It hasn't broke the hourly highs, so we will see.
I just texted JR and he said, I've been working on some stuff. I'll be back this week. Thanks for checking in.
Okay.
I said, all right, cool, man. Had to check in.
You gotta make sure he's alive and breathing.
Yeah, man.
Mm-hmm.
Good to know that you're loved.
It's breaking all the highs on MT4, it looks like.
There's a big bump.
Long.
Gotta love it. Hasn't even broken on TradingView yet. MT4 is completely way past it.
Mm-hmm. See if this song's any good. I feel like we're gonna get some sort of reaction in here.
I can see a resistance on the 4 hour 1.98513.
Yeah, I
Have you
see
got the
one
same
at.
zone?
I got one at 9338. Or hold on, I might have. Well, that's the area that we gotta. Okay. Yeah, I think this wick would be good to get above. But I'm hoping this is gonna close kind of weak, and then we can enter below and have a stop here to come down.
Yep, that's what I was looking at too.
Mm-hmm. Because if it's going to close above here and close strong and go up, it shouldn't come back below here. Yeah, that might be a good idea, Frankie. What up, Kennedy? JR? Yeah, I'm just waiting on it. Ideally, I'd like to get the GA gap fill, but it's a little messy right now. We still got lots of time though, so no worries. Yeah, JR, if this one closes below here, kind of weak, I'm gonna take an entry below this 15 minute, probably down to, because that's still probably, yeah, that's still 20 pips to that support, but I have a feeling we're gonna break that and then start to come down. Because the hourly before this push up, there was no top wick, it just went straight down. So I think now that it came up here, tapped into this rejection, if it rejects and doesn't go up, then it'll come back down and the hourly will close bearish. Maybe even push down below here. So we'll see. What up, London? If this 15-minute runs down though and closes below support, that'd be even better. Alright, Hayden, I will pull up your chart. See what you got. Vumfush is what we're looking at. Vumfush. Oh, you sent the wrong chart. Yeah, spreads seem to be normal now.
Yeah, not too bad.
Mm-hmm.
Oh shit, she's running.
She might.
I kind of wish this would have closed bullish, and then we could have taken that one on the break.
It hasn't closed yet. So it could close very weak bullish. But
Yeah.
now we have a wick. So as long as it closes with that bottom wick, if the next 15 minute breaks the low of that, we can take it down.
Okay, I got you.
But it could run down and break that support, and then that'll be an even better trade because then we don't have to trade through two supports. We can just have the gap.
This gap fill is enormous.
110
If
pips.
it's caught.
Yep. Yeah, Matt, I have noticed they normally do fill the gap. So it's kind of what I'm anticipating to happen.
Do you boys catch many gaps over the weekend or for the new week?
Yeah, we've caught it the last 3 weeks in a row, 4 weeks.
Phew.
Yeah, if it can close kind of weak bullish and then break the low, that'll be kind of a stronger break in my opinion than it just going below a previous bearish candle.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
So, but we'll see. Either way, it shouldn't break the low regardless of which way it's going or which way it closes. Yep, no problem. Here every day. Yep, yeah, this candle could just be retesting that area that it just kind of closed above. But what I've noticed, this candle closed above resistance, well forming support. That's kind of, that the issue is that it formed the support and it tapped into resistance. So that's an issue for me. So whenever a candle forms a resistance and taps a support like this one did, this bearish candle made a low. It should have gone down, but because it hit both ends of the zones, you don't know what it's going to do. So yeah, this could just be the bottom wick of the 30 minute, but if the next 15 minute gets below it, it should continue down. And then we should get the hourly to come back, fill the wick, and then break.
So what are you looking for here on the 15 minute?
I'm just looking for a close and then it to break the low, make another low. But I mean, if this candle runs all the way down and breaks here, that's going to be probably the best trade that we could get is down here. Yeah, it's a little cluttered, but if you look at the hourly, if we close bearish on the 15 minute and then make another low, the hourly should come back down.
I do have a feeling this is going to happen on the Asia Open.
You think what?
It's going to happen on the Asia Open, the gap fill.
Mm-hmm. Well, Asian technically opened 44 minutes ago for me, but we did have daylight savings, so.
Oh, right, yeah.
Yeah, so if it can make a low below here, I think I'm gonna take it.
Where would you put your stop loss? It's pretty big.
Yeah.
35 pips.
Yeah, that's what I was looking at too. Stops would be huge.
Yeah. Well, if it wicks up and then comes to break down, then I'll have the stop above the candle that goes below.
Mm.
I mean, all of these candles are big, so. Just trying to find the best opportunity.
Seems like it's ranging a lot right now.
Mm-hmm. For 20, what do you mean? We got 120 going down.
Should get the fill here on the hourly. Even on the 30.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Just looks too clean.
Yeah, it looks good on the hourly, so I'm going to keep my stop above this candle. A little bit above, maybe. Give it a little room to breathe. Spreads are still bouncing like crazy, though.
What's your GA spreads?
Well, it's bouncing between 2 and 3 right now.
Pips?
Yeah.
Yeah, same.
I don't know if that's normally where it sits or not.
Yeah, I'd say it's usually a little bit lower, but I don't know. I didn't trade last Sunday, so I'm not sure how it was last Sunday.
Yeah, it's normally between like 1.5 and 2.
Yeah, that's what I figured.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, right now it's jumping from like 2 to 4. It was just 4 a second ago. I hate taking the trades with a 4-pip spread, dude. That pisses me off.
Yeah, I haven't taken it. I don't know if I'm going to take it because the spread's not, it's not staying consistent. I think we'll wait for it. We'll wait for it to close below here. I think that's going to be our best.
Yep.
That'd be the best opportunity. Yeah, because the spread's just too messy. It's Sunday. I don't want to get too crazy. This is normally a trade I would definitely execute 100 times in a row in New York, but
Yeah, but it didn't even break anything, you know what I mean?
yeah, it didn't go anywhere. So technically, even if I was taking it, I'm not in it.
Yeah, that's what I was going to say. If this broke and came down, then yeah, but this is right at it.
Excuse me.
Even a 30-minute, I don't really like because that could have just been the bottom wick to continue going up a bit.
Yep. But yeah, like I was saying, if it breaks below here,
Yeah.
then it won't be the bottom wick. That's the top wick, and then it'll come down. But Gotta. We'll wait till we'll see what happens at 7 because if that is actually going to be Asian Open, the spread should be calmed down. They're normally calmed down before then, but still, it's back up to 4 pips. So, no, thank you.
I'll be back in a second.
Okay. Yeah, we're gonna hang out and see.
My GJ spreads are always usually less than GA.
Yeah, mine are too. GJ's normally under 1 pip in every session I trade. GA's under a pip in New York and London. It's normally just over a pip in Asian.
I just seen mine go down to 1.7 on GA. But you can't snag it that quick before you're smacked with 40.
Yeah.
4 spread.
Yep, yeah, Don. I trade New York session kind of like on my own with my private group. We're normally chatting before we're taking trades or chatting about trades. And then I'd live stream the Asian session, which I take trades on as well, obviously.
There's a lot of Japanese news today.
Yep. Yeah, thanks, Don.
The news has just come out though. What's close action doing GA? Yeah.
I got your chart, Hayden. Let's see what's going on. Nope. Yeah, no. It's not working, bro. You're sending the wrong thing. So when you do it, you just copy this part, right? Here. Just before that. That's what you want to copy. Ugh.
I know you don't trade other pairs, Paul, but do you think this strategy would work on other pairs? The strategy? Strategy you trade?
Can you say that one more time and say it louder?
Yep, sure. The strategy you trade.
Yep.
Can you do it on other pairs too? Or have you done it on other pairs? Like, I don't know, Euro US?
I feel like it's going to work best on more volatile pairs. But I've tried it. I think it would work good on any GBP pair. Anything that's aggressive, it's going to work on pretty well. But I've only personally done it on GA and GJ. But I used to trade GU, and I think it would work really well with GU as well.
What about AJ?
What's up?
AJ? AUD Japanese?
Yeah, I've traded that before. I think it would work good on that one as well. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I think if we look at the 30-minute, if we can break this wick, or if we can break one of these two wicks, that's going to be the best trade, in my opinion. So if we're on the 15-minute, if we get below this wick, because I mean this should be the last area of issue on the 15-minute, because these bearish ones shouldn't give an issue, but on the 30-minute, these are technically bullish wicks. So I'm thinking if we can break the previous 30-minute low, it'll break the previous 30-minute low and then start to fill the gap. But definitely want to we definitely want to close below here first, because if we just get a massive candle, that's going to be a huge stop. Broker spread still like 8 pips. Yeah, mine's still bouncing around at like the high 2s, low 3s, which is still too high.
I guess if you don't want to take the trade at that wick, at that first 15-minute wick, you can take it on the second for extra confirmation.
Yep.
Just because the difference is about 2 pips,
Yeah.
3 pips.
Yeah, you wouldn't miss much. You still got 120 pips down, so.
Oh wow, I'm wrong. That little wick is 5.7 pips.
Yeah, these are.
Still.
It looks like the candles aren't very big, but if you measure them, they're
No.
massive.
Man, gold's above. I think. I don't know. I wouldn't trade gold, but I definitely think you'd want to be long.
Yeah, I can't imagine what Eagles' way spreads are. I hate it. Third time's the charm. There we go. Look at that. Entered as it broke. Look at that. That's a perfect trade right there. Other than you traded GU on a Sunday during Asian, that was a perfect setup. That was perfect. Just be careful because remember during Asian session, GU has neither of those pairs are open during Asian session. The pound is not open and the US dollar is not open. There's no markets to push that pair. So I would just be careful trading that during Asian session. That's all. Yeah, brokers are probably getting flooded with the gap buys and sells. What's that noise?
And fucking pisses me off trading view. How you can't scroll back to its previous price action
Mm-hmm.
and zoom into the lower time frames efficiently.
Oil must have went crazy. Yeah, I'm hoping we can hit 300 viewers this week. That would be awesome. I still think we're gonna get the gap fill. It just might might not happen right away in Asian session, but I think we're gonna get it on the live stream. Yeah, and the giveaway, if any of you were here during the very beginning, there was going to be a giveaway once we hit 500 viewers. The giveaway is going to be smaller since we didn't hit it, but I think I will still do some sort of giveaway if we hit, when we hit 500 viewers. I just don't know what that's going to be yet. All right, so this should be Asian Open, correct? $30-minute close bearish at resistance. That's the hourly close bearish as well. Yeah, I think if the spread's down to normal, yeah, spreads are normal. I think if it breaks this low, that'd be a nice one to get that wick fill down there. I think I like that. Spreads are down to normal. And then if it breaks that, the hourly should wick fill and then continue down. So now we got a lower high on the 30-minute, which is good. And this is kind of cleaner. The spreads seem to be normal now. Yeah, spreads are under 2 now. It hasn't done that yet all night. So yeah, I think once we break below this 30-minute, I'm going to take it with stop above the candle wick, wherever it does do the wick. Can't wait till my magic keys get here. It's gonna be so nice.
Magic keys doesn't sync to your phone MetaTrader, the computer meta, correct?
What's up?
Magic keys, it doesn't connect to, like the script connects to your computer, correct?
Yeah, it's just like a wireless mouse.
For the phone or for the computer?
For the desktop.
Yeah, so you have to trade on the desktop.
Yeah, you can't use it on your phone. I mean, maybe message Raja, that'd maybe be a good idea.
I would like one, definitely.
Alright, so yeah, I got my line set. If it goes below, I got my stop above that wick. Maybe put it give it a little breathing room.
Current 15.
Yep.
There we go.
Ooh, let's go.
I did.
Ooh, there we go.
Are you going to leave the runner for the...
Yep. Yeah, I'm already up 7, 3, and 1. Why am I up 1? Oh, that one got in late. I might close the shitty one, to be honest. If it gets to 10, I think it should. It's moving pretty well. Yeah, there we go. Oh shit. All right, there's 13 closed, and I'm at break even. Let's go. Money team, baby. Let's get it. All right, so I just closed 15. Or I closed 2 positions, 13 and 15. I'm at break even now. So we'll see if we keep running. If it hits 50, I'm out. I'm out. That's it for me. Here we go. Hopefully you guys caught the trade. That was super quick. Took about 2 minutes. Not even. Sweet. Hopefully this runner doesn't get stopped out. I'd like it to keep going. But, I mean, I still secured almost 30 pips in 2 positions, so that's normally more than I get anyways. So, beautiful. Let's go.
Missed it.
How'd you miss it? I called it. Come on.
I was marking up. I was on a monthly. I was marking up.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, you just joined. How's it going, bro?
Yeah, good.
Yep. Goat shit over here.
Yeah, I see you. Don't worry, I'm coming.
Did you pass your test, bro?
Oh yeah, man. Thank God.
Hell
man.
yeah. Congrats, bro. That's awesome.
Shit.
Appreciate it. Now I just gotta get my license now, and then I'm head first.
Oh yeah, we're staying for the gap fill. Don't worry, bro. We are staying for that gap fill. I'm hoping my runner can be a part of this gap fill. Yeah.
I don't wanna just FOMO in.
No, don't follow in yet. Wait for a close now, on the 15-minute below that support. But I think we should be. I think this 50 pip target could be smashed. Because if it breaks, it broke below here, so that was our last issue. If we get below here, we're gonna dump.
Yeah.
Hell yeah! Let's get it. Hopefully you guys caught that. We just smashed 20 pips in 3 minutes, and we don't even have 100 likes. Come on now.
They did, Paul. We said you finna take over the whole live stream, the whole YouTube.
Damn right.
Trading.
Nah, Steven, that was a great trade. It wasn't a good trade. That was a great trade. To be in and out in fucking almost a minute, 2 minutes tops. That was lovely.
How come you got your EP set there, Paul?
What's up?
How come you got your trade profit set there and not to week fill?
Oh, this is my runner. I already secured almost 30 pips.
Perfect.
Yeah, so my runner's up 10 right now. But I'm going to try and I've been talking to my buddy JR. He's in the chat, Jay Kennedy. I'm actually going to make him a moderator real quick. He's been trying to convince me to let my runners actually run. So my goal this week is to let my runner actually run and see what happens. See if I end up making more because the runner does well, or if I kind of just end up breaking even in terms of winning more or winning what I usually win. So breaking even, not meaning breaking even for the week, but meaning like not really making anything extra than what I normally would make. So.
And this 15 better not drop below.
It better drop below. I'm hoping this thing breaks both of those wicks.
Not on this candle. Come on, Paul.
I gave you the trade.
I wasn't entering into it. This is just my bias. But for me, I wasn't gonna...
Frankie, yeah, if you want the Discord link, you gotta sign up for my private mentorship, unfortunately. But if you show up here every day, you can probably make the money to sign up in less than a week of being here. So
you on Discord now or Telegram still? That's why I'm asking you for Discord.
We're on Discord. We don't use. Ooh, let's go, baby. Come on. We don't use Telegram no more. We don't use Telegram no more. Just Discord.
All right. Yeah, I had tried to click on the link and it's expired or something like that.
Yeah, I'll send you a new one. I didn't know it expired for you. I'll send you another one.
Yeah, I
didn't
check it.
Let's go. Come on. Give me that 50 pip TP. Yes. Let's go. There's 30. Oh boy. Let's go.
Dude, we went to go get fucking food and I come back and it's already in.
I'm already up 60 pips for the week almost. Keep going. Keep going, baby.
That shit's gonna jump.
50 pips. Hell yeah. If I catch 50 pips, I'm gonna fucking scream. Oh shit, now I'm at 40. Oh my god, let's go. I'm
Let
taking.
him run. He's gonna run to the zone.
Yeah, I'm only gonna take 50 though. I'm not gonna get greedy and take 100 pips. If I hit 50, that's more than I make in like 2 days, 3 days in one position.
Oh yeah.
Let's fucking go.
But he did say let your runners run.
I am now. I don't normally let them run this long, but since it's a 120 pip gap fill, I think getting half of that is a good target.
Yeah, pretty good.
Yeah, I'm up. I need 15 more and I'll be out.
Momentum's still up on the 5 minute.
Yep, and it's broken below everything, so I think 50 is gonna happen. Move my SL to profit.
Oh my god, I'm so pissed right now.
You missed this, bro?
Dude, I went and got food, bro.
Oh, you missed my call?
Yeah, bro, I literally just came upstairs. I just ate.
Oh, I told you if it broke the low. I said I don't. You might not have been here. I said if it breaks the low of the previous 30 minute, I'm taking it. And it fucking dumped.
Damn, that sucks. Oh well.
There's still gonna be another opportunity.
Yeah, I might just not take one tonight anyway, because both of them they're already way past it.
Well, now it's past everything, so this will be the best time to take one. So I would recommend, if you missed it, this would be where you want to get in it.
He just doesn't have a.
Yeah, although this candle's already like 45 pip candle, so this would be kind of I feel like it'd be a silly place to take it right now.
Yeah, and I'm not entering right now, but once it closes on the 15 minute, I want it to dump like 20 more pips. Here you go, guys. Nice job, AF. You're welcome. Thanks for coming. Thanks for subscribing, pressing the like button. I think we got the golden nugget tonight, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes, sir.
We got the horses in the back.
What's up, Paul?
Yo, what up?
Man, 51 pips, homeboy. Damn.
I didn't get it yet. Oh, come on, push down.
I got it. I got 51.
Nice. I'm up 30 and I closed about 30 already. I'm a
Guys at the guys at the fire station here are like, "What are you doing? Why are you screaming in your room?"
This shit fucking dumped. Ooh, come on, give us another push. If it hits
I'm
50,
like, I made money.
let's go. If it hits 50, I'm out. Come on, break it. Let's go. Dump. 15 more. Come on. Be a good girl. I think it peaked at like 40, so come on.
We should get this fill. We really should.
Yeah.
Oh, this is gonna. Oh yeah, for sure. Let me look left.
Do you guys think this is gonna break and then like retest that zone that it broke and then fall the full way, or is it just gonna do it right now?
I have no idea.
Yeah, because I want to, but like.
I kind of hope it falls 50 before retracing, for my sake.
Yeah,
For your sake, you probably wanted to retrace and then fall, but
yeah.
I think if you're in the 15 minute, you can find an opportunity. Come on, just dump to 50 and let me get out.
Well, just for the 15 minute, if I enter, the stops would be like absolutely massive.
Yeah, they will be.
Yeah, the stop loss would be big.
Like, bro, fucking 50 pips right now.
Mm-hmm.
It has not gone 50 pips yet because I'm only up 30 something.
From the top of this candle, it's gone 50 pips, bro.
Oh.
You gotta think, you already had a 20 pip stop on the start of this.
Yeah, no, for me it was only 12, or it was 18.
I was gonna say, no way. I have it marked up right now, and it shows 19.9.
Well, my stop loss was above
Like,
this candle right here.
2.
I put it here, so it was 18 for me.
Oh, you're on 30 minute?
Yeah, I did it on this big candle. My stop was above the current candle. Yeah, and I'm trying to work on holding my runners a little longer, so that's what I'm trying to improve this week, is to see if it ends up benefiting me long term or not.
I like it. I got in at pretty much the top of the big candle. 98.068.
Yep. Come on, girl. Dump. Dump
You
to
can
target.
should get the fill.
Yeah, I think so too. I'm hoping there's not a big retrace. Sorry if you guys didn't get it. I don't want to watch these pips go away. I want it to just keep going. So, come on.
We got all week, man. Gold. I think gold's gonna go up tonight. I'm ready.
Come on, baby.
Come on.
There you go. Should be getting it here soon. Where'd you get in? Where are you in at, Paul?
I'm in at 9701. It's not breaking past. It hasn't broke past 40 pips yet. Oh.
Yeah.
I might have spoke too soon.
You can do. Come on.
Come on, just dump it.
Melt.
Oh yeah, it's.
Dump it. Come on.
Come on. Come on, girl. Got a ton of volume, so I think it should keep coming.
There's about taking an entry here, just if it retraces all the way back up there.
Risked 22 pips to gain 10. What are you talking about, gain 10?
What is he talking about?
I'm up like 70 pips right now. What the fuck you mean 10 pips?
22 pips.
I couldn't even close 10 fast enough. It fell so fast. I closed 12 and 15. I couldn't even press X quick enough. So I don't know what you mean 10 pips. Come on, dump down. Let's go. I risked 18 anticipating this massive candle. Ooh, there we go. Come on. Almost broke it. It's got it. If it flips bearish, I think it's gonna go.
How's the 1 hour?
There you go. You see, nice job. Hopefully you guys caught some of this. A great start to the week.
Hell yeah. I can be done for the week. There you go.
Yeah. No, I didn't flip yet on MT4. Oh, now it did.
I reckon I got that, on NT4.
Come on, 13 pips. Come on. Another massive candle would be lovely.
Next candle will be enormous if it goes.
Damn it.
Fucker. Come on.
Are you on the 15-minute one, Paul?
Yeah, I'm watching on the 15-minute right now.
Yeah, you are.
Come on, girl, dump. This is going to be a massive hourly candle if it keeps going.
Yeah.
Do hourly candles even get this big?
Find out. I almost might just take my 30 to be honest.
No.
It's like right there. Yeah, I hate to say I told you guys so, but I said the gap fills typically do happen. See, I was fine in the trade before, now I'm not fine. When I'm risking something, I'm fine, but when I'm at risk-free, that's where I need to improve. Because I want to hold it, but I want to just take 30, but I know as soon as I close 30, it's going to dump. Come on.
There's no bottom. I don't know, is that weak on the 15?
Oh, no, girl. Come on. Flip, Flip. 5 minute break the low of the previous. Come on. If it does that, I think it's going to give another little move. Oh, there we go.
Yep.
There you go. There you go.
Come on.
Let's go. Come on.
Did you get it?
I'm at 12 away. 10 or 11 away. Come on. I'm taking 35. Fuck it. I don't care. I never get 35 pips. I'm done.
Secure the bag, man.
Hell yeah. That's a 70 pips Sunday.
That's what it's all about, right?
70 pips
Tomorrow
on
you're gonna do it
Sunday.
again.
Can't beat that.
Hell no.
Fuck
It'll come
yeah.
around in 30 more minutes.
Did you
Yep.
do a half risk on this one, Paul, or full risk?
I did 3 positions at 2%, so it was lower than it was about normal.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Good stuff, man.
Thank you. Yeah, I'm I'm up. It's a very happy day now. That was a nasty fucking trade. This is gonna
What
be
were you saying earlier about work tomorrow?
that I'm not going. Yeah, if you guys are setting charts, I'm gonna pull them up after. Because if this thing dumps down, I like to have it so I can use it for the replay, the recap. So, but I think if you're looking to enter, it's gonna be risky. But if you really want to get in, I think once it breaks below here, it's gonna come down really nicely. I just closed because to take 38 pips when I'm only initially targeting 10 to 20 is a phenomenal trade. So I'm not going to gamble those 38 pips or so to make an extra 12. I'd rather get 12 less pips but close 38. But I do believe this is still going to come down. I just didn't want to... It was so quick and simple and stressful-less that I don't want to sit through any drawdown or watch it pull back or lose profits. I just want to get out and secure. So
When you say three positions at 2%, does that mean you're risking 6% in total?
yes, sir.
Is that your normal risk?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, it's a little high for what normal people would consider, but I'm comfortable when I'm in the trade, unless I'm at break even and my runner's going, as you noticed. But I mean, it works well for me, and I just like to do what works well for me. Can't believe we just caught that shit in like 2 minutes. I tried, Frankie. I gave it my best shot. I went down almost 40 pips. That's the best I can do for right now. I don't think that's the most I've secured in one position in a long time. I think the best I got last week was 22, and that was my very best, definitely for like at least a month or two before that. So, kind of profit, I guess. Or progress. It's kind of progress. It was definitely profit, but it was kind of progress.
See, if you look at the 5 minutes, kind of forming a support right now. So
Yeah, if it breaks through it though, it's gonna dump really hard.
yeah, it's gonna go. Yeah.
Yep. Yeah. Which makes sense. All this momentum, we should just come down.
Mm-hmm.
It just I'm just not good at leaving runners. So I mean, it is what it is. I'd rather be comfortable when I'm risking
Good,
something
man.
and uncomfortable when I'm not.
Yeah.
So. But I tried, Frankie. I tried. Maybe in like 3 more Sundays, I'll actually hold it for the entire gap fill. But I wouldn't say hold your breath because you might not make it. Where's Cats to say the wizardry wins again? Yep, thank you. Thank you. Yeah, I think it's definitely still coming down. I just hate runners. I suck at it. So let's watch the 5 minute and see what happens. Actually, let's not. That'll mess up my replay. So we'll mark it up, make it look pretty. Gap.
Come on.
Is it going? Oh, looking like it's going. Oh, and 50 pips.
I was gonna say, I thought you hit it for real.
No, I already closed everything. I got to I almost got to 40. I couldn't do it no more. I just couldn't do it.
Just remember, man, we can't be greedy. I had a buddy last week who he had his gold trade up to like $4,000, and just kept going. By the end of the day, it was at 90. I was like, man, you're an idiot.
Shit.
Yeah, he blew his shit big time. I'm like, you're a dumb dude.
Yeah, that's what.
He didn't secure any of it. He just let it go. He thought I was gonna just keep going. And lost
No.
it.
Yeah, that's my issue with runners is like, you're up 50, but we have 120 possible target. But like, if it retraces 50 and takes you out, you just gave back 50 pips. Like, that's a phenomenal trade.
Yep.
And that's where I struggle with emotions is if I get 50 pips and I give it all back, like, I'm the biggest fucking idiot in the world. Why would I do that?
Yeah.
Next 30 is going to spawn in a sec.
Damn it, JR. JR, if you're still in the chat, I'll make you a deal. If you can come on the live stream and actually chat one time this week while we're trading, the following week I might throw an extra position in at like 0.5% and leave that as a runner.
This. You have 15 minutes to close bearish, obviously. Just keep going.
I think it will.
Mm-hmm.
JR is trying to peer pressure me into leaving runners into swing trades, but I don't know if he's going to win.
There we go.
Now you're going. Bloop. To the moon.
Man. Position right now, gap fill. It's like 107 pips.
Damn, that thing's
Tempting.
gonna. This candle's gonna fucking dump in 2 minutes. Just watch this shit.
Yep.
It's gonna be at least like 15, 20 pips.
Got trade profit at 606, 96606.
Oof. Ooh.
If this closes, I think I might take a little small lot.
And put it above the 15 minute.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think once it breaks the low of the 15 minute, that'd be good. Or even.
Yeah, my stop loss would be at let's see here,
20.
97656 area, 97643 right there.
Yep.
Just right above this 15-minute candle.
Ooh. Fuck. Yes. God, that was a good day.
This thing doesn't want to give anybody any pips.
Where's the 1% donation, guys? Come on. Show some common courtesy. Just kidding.
How do 3 people dislike this? That's because they lost money.
It's because they were in buys. That's why.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Well, likes and dislikes both are good.
That's
Yeah, they
absolutely
both
true.
do benefit. So
Yep.
yeah, I don't think my 5-minute 20 pip candles call is gonna be right. Damn though, from where I entered, looking at MT4, it's literally just straight massive bearish candles. That's so sick. Literally 2 5-minute candles took me all the way to my take profit. That's insane.
That's sick, dude. That is so
That's
sick.
insane. Thanks, Troy. Thanks for coming. Hopefully you caught some of that because that was a nasty one. I think it's gonna get more nasty too. Just gotta wait on it. I'm actually gonna mark up my analysis real quick on here. Actually,
30 seconds before this close.
yeah, no, you're right.
Don't know about
I'll
that,
wait.
Paul.
I don't want to mess up the highlight.
There we go. Come on. Just fill.
Hmm?
Did you get in it, Mike?
Yeah, I got in it.
Okay. Are you up in profit?
Nope, it's pretty much at my entry right now.
I think you should be good. It shouldn't get above this 15 minute. It should keep coming.
Yeah,
I have a feeling pretty quickly.
Yeah, I'm gonna jump in right now. Do a half. Set my stop loss.
Hey, let's go, Troy. Nice job. So,
15 pit stop loss. That's not bad.
yep. So if you guys made some money, make sure you press that like button, subscribe, and if you want to go the extra mile, feel free to share the trade or do any sort of shout out on Instagram and tag my Instagram, which is in the top left. I will repost it, and we can get more people to show up and help more people out. 2 questions. I started with Rakeel. He mentored me. I started with him, I want to say, almost 9 months ago. I had my mentorship group and kind of joined up with him, and then he was mentoring me as well with just little things I was struggling with. And then he was always streaming New York session. Nobody from the Forex family did London or Asian session. And then Monty and I kind of became friends, got pretty close. And we started to do the Zoom calls for Asian session. And then eventually so many people were showing up, like over 100 people. We couldn't even get a big enough Zoom call to hold everyone. So Monty and I were talking and we're like, yeah, we should just live stream this. That would be pretty cool. And then we were both actually going to do Asian together. And then we decided that it'd be better if I did Asian and he took over London. And then we pretty much had a Forex family member streaming every session. So that's kind of how.
Look at this dude. That entry was terrible, dude. I knew I should have just stayed out of it.
Yep. Me too.
Damn it, dude. I fucking told myself to.
It didn't break the high yet.
No, it didn't, but just the fact that it ran so far up, dude. This is fuck.
Yeah. Yeah, you made me risk a lot.
Yeah, I'm already down 15 pips. Fuck, man.
That's just
Down
a top
8.
week.
It's all good. It's just a new 15 minute. I would have waited for it to break the low, but I mean, I think you were already in it.
Yeah, I got in when it broke the low.
Yeah.
Yeah, you see how it kind of like retraced up? I got in it once it broke like the big candle.
Gotcha.
But
I think you're still going to be good. I don't know where it could retrace to. I don't want to say that. I don't want to say anything about that, but
yeah.
no, you should not be buying.
Oh well.
You should not be buying right now. We just had a 50 pip 15 minute candle. Why would you ever want to take a buy against that? No. I think you're still good. I don't think it shouldn't, if it respects higher highs and higher lows, it shouldn't break that 15 minute. It could just be making a wick to go down.
Yeah, it jumped up so quick.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but it also came down super, super quick as well. So
That's
yeah.
what I figured that this would probably jump up and retest like that box that you have up there, and then it'll fall.
Yeah, it shouldn't get above here. Because, I mean, this one did break below. Yeah, this was just a new 15 minute making a wick. It should start closing below here.
Yeah, fucking hope so.
Ideally. But it might want to go up higher and actually retest this better, not just kind of tap this wick.
Yeah.
But if it doesn't break this high, it's going to come down and give the gap fill.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, we'll see.
It's up to you, Kathu, Sean. It's up to you. It's your trade. It's your money. Do what you want to do. The trade was called 30 minutes ago.
Should I buy or sell?
You should do both with full margin and close your eyes and then go to bed and see what happens in the morning. Just kidding. Don't do that. I do not recommend
You
that.
never know.
Man, it came right to my stop loss and didn't hit it. So
This trade right here.
Yep.
Yeah, same.
It's looking like it's kind of rejecting off
It just
that.
needs to respect this wick and just drop.
Mm-hmm.
It was. I don't know. Looking back at it, I shouldn't have placed it either way. But oh well.
Bye.
Yeah, I should have. Yeah, you're right. Probably right.
Oh fuck! This just.
Thanks for the share, Omelet. Appreciate it.
I'm just got my eyes on the 5 minute, and we got one. It's kind of creating a small resistance, but it could flip and.
Mm-hmm. That's why I only did half. I only did half lot. 0.5.
$120 likes. That's awesome. Appreciate it. Hopefully we got some more subscribers too. But we're gonna probably hang out because I want to see if this gap gets filled. Yeah, I got a bunch of followers on Instagram.
Ooh.
Oh wow, we got like 30 new subscribers. That's crazy. Yeah, I mean, if it does go up, I mean, it would have just been bad timing for the entry.
Yeah, that pissed me off because I missed the fucking. Oh man.
I don't know how you didn't hear me. I was talking about it forever.
No, dude, I went downstairs to get food, and I was like, "Fuck, man."
But did you leave before I said if it creates that resistance up there, we're gonna come down?
I don't know. I had to have.
Because if you were here when this candle was going on, I was talking about this area and how it's gonna reject here and not break these hourly highs. And then,
Oh yeah, I heard all that. No, I literally had it up on my screen. I had it marked up. I was just, I don't know. I just fucking went downstairs to get food, came back, and it already happened. I was like, what the fuck?
yeah. So see how this one plays out maybe for the next time.
Yeah, this was just dumb of me, man. I shouldn't have placed this trade. Oh well.
It could still play out. You don't know that yet, but it just then you won't have to deal with this pullback. Because when we wait for those lows to be broken, normally the pullback is over with.
Yeah, that's annoying.
Man, it's about to hit it.
Yep.
Yeah.
Bad shape. Fuck.
Never know. I could reject off the top of that, be grabbing orders into dump. So I just
97657 is my stop.
see how the 5 minutes looking. Okay, yeah, it did kind of it might push up a little higher. This 5 minute might push up a little higher, but I think it's still going to close below this bullish wick. So I'm thinking this bullish wick is going to be the top of the zone that it's going to kind of go to, and then this 5 minute is going to close below. Because you see how it kind of pushed up above, but it's still kind of pulling back below. So it might be one of those candles that stop you out and then continue with the move right after.
I got fucked.
Yeah. Yep. Thanks, Steve. Appreciate it.
Man, I'm still in. Wow. How is that possible? That wick went up to 956. I think. Yeah, I'm still in. Mine's at 5.7. Stop.
Yeah, Yassine. They're not always this easy.
Never mind. Never mind. Never mind.
It came down so hard, it's got to recover a little bit.
Yeah, now I'm out. It's alright though.
So I'm saying it might have just wicked you out and then dropped back down because, like I was saying, this 5 minute I've seen it happen on bigger time frames. This wick right here, that bullish wick that the cursor's like right on top of, should be where we close below to then find and form resistance to come back down. So it'll wick above, but it'll still close below. So like I've noticed, let me see if I can find an example. So like you see this wick came down all the way here. This is kind of the bottom of the zone where we're going to see an issue.
Yep.
So same thing here. This wick should be should be that. So we'll see in 30 seconds. If it closes below here, I think that's where it's going to start to turn around. And then I think if you want to re-enter, once it breaks here, I think that's going to be a good entry, to be honest. And then it should be a pretty good stop loss as well. But yeah, we'll see if we can close below here. It keeps bouncing and pulling away, so we will see. But yeah, if it retests, I think you guys should definitely look to re-enter. Yeah, it closed below there too. If it does a retest, or this one comes down, closes weak bullish, which I think it might. Once it breaks the low here, I think that would be a good re-entry to then get the full gap fill. Because you probably lost like 15 pips just now, but I mean, if you want to risk another 20, but you can gain almost 100 if you hold it that long. I mean, even if you risk 20 for 20, that still puts you back in profit from the loss. So, yeah, I don't feel so bad about closing at 40 now, 38.
16. It's alright though.
Yeah, we'll get it back. I mean, learned for next time, I guess. Don't go make food is what we learned.
Paul, you out of your positions already?
Yeah, I'm already out. I closed about like 70 pips tonight.
Nice.
Yeah. Did you guys are still, you're holding that tonight. You're right. You guys are swinging.
Yeah, me and Troy are holding it.
That's what I figured.
We entered a lot lower than you did.
You didn't get the sniper entry?
No, we were in there probably about an hour before you guys.
Oh, you got in at the bottoms.
Yeah, so we kind of fucked that up. I mean, I'm in profit regardless right now, but
Yeah.
I mean, if I would have entered at the top, that would have an extra 35 pips, give or take.
Yeah. It was smooth.
It was. I saw that. I was like, God damn it. Hey, that's good though. Good shit.
Muhammad, I didn't enter between. I mean, on the 15-minute I did, but if you looked, I entered on the 30-minute, and these were just wicks to fill. But if you look on the hourly, that's just a bearish wick we had to fill. So my idea, this bearish 30-minute, we got resistance, a lower high here, but the fact it was just bearish, and we bounced off of that resistance. And then this wick, once this was broken, I was anticipating it to break and fill that hourly wick. And it's looking like, I'm thinking once this 15-minute breaks the low, or if this 15-minute breaks below here, it's going to go, or the next 15-minute that breaks the low is going to go. Because if we go back to the 5-minute, like I said, see how it just kind of wicked you out, and now it's coming back? That's... Because if you look on the 30 looks beautiful. It's just making a top wick. Hourly is going to just probably be a massive candle, or it's going to just hang out here, and then the next hourly will finish it.
It's great.
Yep, no problem, Mohammed. I think that was probably the best trade I've ever had, I think. That was so quick. I'm gonna run to the bathroom real quick. Ugh. Alright, I'm back. Yep, yeah, it was a nice one today. So since we got all these people here, I'm gonna be that guy and plug my website if I can find it. Here we go. So if you are new to trading, you don't know a whole lot about it, I do teach people how to do it. That's not the link I wanted. So it's just a quick little rough draft. Here's kind of the stuff you get with it if you're interested. Here's the live stream, because we take live trades every single day, Sunday through Thursday. You get full analysis every day, twice a day from me. All you do is click this button. It'll redirect you to PayPal, and you can sign up. And I don't do anything but YouTube trade and go to the gym and coach. So if you sign up, normally we do our first one-on-one session within 24 hours. So if you're interested in that, or you want to get into the private Discord group that I have, you could sign up for that as well. If not, and you know what you're doing and you just want to come here, hang out, win some trades, YouTube is free. So lots of options. But if you feel like you're not learning enough from the free YouTube and you need more like hands-on direct kind of teaching, then I would recommend that, but that is up to you. So that's my advertisement, my plug for the evening. Is tempting to buy. I think you should send a chart and then I will let you know, Yassine. Yep, I agree with that, Frankie. 100%. If it breaks below here, it's definitely going to get another move like this. For sure. Yep, makes sense. Yep, thanks Yvonne, thanks for coming. Oh, and that link that I pulled up, if you go to my Instagram and you click in my bio, it is going to be the link in my Instagram bio. God, I did not expect this kind of a day for a Sunday, to be honest with you. I'm gonna mute my mic again quick while I eat. I don't want to be rude. There we go. Gotta make it look aesthetic. That looks pretty aesthetic, I'd say. What's the date today? The 8th, so 3/8/20. Asian GA cells. So this is my journaling. If you're new here, do this every time after every trade. Got 3/20. Asian GA cells, and then I put a little description just so I know what I was doing. I break a 30-minute low, and then you can click it. We got a win, so we're green, and then you can actually add the chart. So if you want to go see the trade, you got it right there. So that was last week, week before, and this week. So yeah. Alright, form a resistance in there is what I'm going to assume. And then we can target down into this area. Yeah. Yeah, nah, those were rice cakes. It was a rice cake. Singular. I should probably send that to the group. So, last little plug on my end, if you are looking into the mentorship, we have kind of a general where we were playing Call of Duty the other night. We just got random stuff there. We got the New York session where we post charts, blah blah blah. London, there's not a ton of people that trade London, but then we got the Asian session. So I actually GA gapped 100 pips. Tonight will be fun at 416. Ended up being right. And then this is actually, if you join in here, you can actually just join, and instead of typing, you can have a conversation with some, like a voice chat, instead of having to type. So that's the group and the platform that we use to that I use to kind of teach. In case you're wondering what Discord is, that is what it is. It's what we do. It actually works really, really nicely.
Don't forget to send it to me, Paul.
Send you what?
Discord invite.
Oh shit, yeah, I got you right now. Are you still in Telegram?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna send it to you right now. I'm trying to find your Telegram so I can send it to you. Kurt, right? Yep, there we go.
Yeah.
There we go. My text messages still come up as Young Rich Nigga. So I was like, I think it's Kurt. There you go. Monty, you can pay and I will give you the link, but that is for my paying students only. It's not a free group for everyone. Otherwise, I'm going to owe a lot of people a lot of money for letting everyone in for free. And I don't want to do that. Plus, it's very time consuming, so basically you're just paying for my time to sit on Zoom with you one-on-one for however long we go over stuff. So if you click the link in my Instagram bio, you can sign up and then you will get the link. Unless Monty's second is... Unless that's actually Monty. I don't know. Sell stop it is, yeah. Yeah, I think that's going to be a really good trade on that sell stop. Because that 30-minute didn't really... This one's probably going to wick up into here more. And then we'll see it come down. But I think even if you get a break below here, that would be a nice trade. And now you should break support and come down. Here, a different one. Okay, yeah. Gotcha. That's what I figured. That's why I answered the way I did. So now that's it for my plug on my group. It's already 8 o'clock. Wow. Oh wow, we've been going for 3 hours and 15 minutes already. I think we'll wait for this 15 and maybe one more to see if the gap fills. If it doesn't start to give any confirmations, we'll probably call it a night. And I'll leave you guys with an idea of what would be a good entry for the gap fill. But if it does start to do something, we'll probably hang out and see if we can get the gap fill. But if it just keeps going up and doesn't start to make any lows, then we'll just call it a night. But this is actually a new 4 hour starting. So probably going to get a wick up and then probably going to come back down. So I still think sells is the move. You just gotta wait on it. And if anyone has charts that I didn't pull up when we were in the trade, you can send them now. I'll pull those up now as well. What do I think of GJ? Alright, Jan, I will answer that because you have sent me multiple charts every single day, even when you shouldn't be trading. I think GJ looks like shit. I think if you get above here, let me check the height. I think if you get above this bearish candle, you're going to start to go up, fill here, and fill this wick. Yeah, that makes a lot of sense because the hourly is bullish. So if we can break this 30-minute bearish candle, I mean, that's a 16 pip stop, but you can target, I mean, even just to resistance, that's almost 30 pips. And then you get that wick fill, that'd be almost 60. So I think 16 for 30 and maybe even 60 would make sense. Because then you're trading with 4 hours bearish though. That kind of breaks my rule. But we need a gap fill, so that rule is kind of irrelevant right now. So yeah, I think if you, on the 30-minute, just because it looks a little cleaner, 15-minute, there's a lot of wicks. Which one do you pick? So 30-minute, this is the last bearish one. If you get above here, you look at the hourly, that's about right there. So if this 30-minute or hourly breaks above there, you're going to get the fill here and then continue up. Because you got to look, this one is here, this one's lower, this one's lower. So you go to 30-minute, this one's here, this one's lower, this one's lower. This one should also be lower to continue down. But if it gets above, it's going to go up and make a high above both of those, probably come up into here. Is what I would look at. That's how I trade, so that's what I think, Jan. And Yen says the opposite. So it could come down. I think if it breaks below this bearish candle, it is going to start to come down. If it gets below this hourly one right here, it'll come down. That would be nice and clean down to there. I would just be worried if this wicks down into here to then drive up higher. I think it's going to go up, personally. Because if you look at, this one's kind of weak. Didn't even get below here, so it's not making lows anymore. And it made a high, so I feel like it's going to be looking to go up more than come down. But you're not going to know until it happens. Yep. Go on Slack. What's on Slack? Did I miss something in Slack?
Boys, I'm gonna call it a day for me.
Alright, bro.
Take care, fellas.
Yep, see you later.
See ya.
Yeah, and I'm on Slack. I don't see anything. Kurt, did you get into Discord? You got in? You're good?
Yeah, I'm on Discord, yeah.
Perfect. Perfect. Are you ready to start back up on the sessions or not yet?
Yeah, I'm free.
Okay, I want you to get a week back into a full week of trading first. So we have some stuff to work with, some charts to look at.
Okay.
But then I want to get a session in ASAP. But I want you to just get back in the rhythm of doing it, get some charts in, so then we're kind of rocking and rolling again.
All right.
So are you gonna be back the whole week?
Oh yeah, I go back to work on Tuesday. Well, yeah, I got time to trade. I don't have any excuses.
Okay. If you do every day, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, maybe Thursday we'll do something.
All right.
So, but just make sure so now that you're in Discord, go to the general chat. There's a little pin up on the top right. I'll just read the rules real quick on how to work through where stuff should be posted. Just so it all stays organized when you send your charts.
You said in a general chat? How long ago?
It'll be, so are you in the general chat right now?
Yeah, general info, yeah.
Alright, so you see the little pin up on the top right? It says pin messages.
Oh, okay.
Yep, just click that. It'll be that only message. Oh, I didn't see anything. There was the last new message in Slack was the Zoom link. Asian. Yeah, the last message is mine. Oh wait, hold on. Okay, yeah.
All right.
So yeah, we'll hang out for another 10 minutes, and then if this 15-minute doesn't come down, it's just gonna range to London.
You don't trade gold, do you?
No, sir. GA and GJ.
Let's say that's a monster right there. I can't.
Did gold? I didn't see a gap on gold.
It's at 1,700 right now.
Yeah, it was high. It was super high. That's what I heard. Alright, so I'm gonna post the result of the trade on Instagram to show that I actually did take the trade I said I was gonna take. And then I'll post up the recap later tonight. Yeah, I think this 15-minute could get rejected from that area we broke away from. Because the 4 hours got to make a top wick, so. Yeah, I would just be careful, Monty. With everything's just bullish right now. You don't have any bearish confirmation that price is making any lows. Yeah, I'm glad I fucking closed 36. I would have been not happy.
Well, there you go. You should probably let your runners run at least 30 pips.
Yeah, I like to take them at 20 to 30. I got 36 or 38 on this one, so I'm happy with that.
You have a you pay for your subscription on TradingView?
Yep, I do.
Yeah, I think I'm about to just go ahead and do that.
It's like $12, I think, $10. I think it's 12.
How many charts they let you get? How many charts they let you put up at a time?
Oh, you can have as many as you want. It gets rid of the ads on the bottom left that pop up. That's why I got it.
Yeah, that's what that shit's annoying.
Yeah, that shit was real annoying. That's why I got rid of it. All right, proof is posted. Got some new followers. All right, guys, I'm gonna call it a night. Thanks for coming. If you caught the trade, hopefully you secured some profits and didn't lose anything. And we will be back tomorrow, normal time. I will see you guys then.